When I was young, I saw the movie Dances with Wolves, and I just absolutely loved the animal. And then I knew one day when I had kids, I wanted to raise them on a ranch. So I taught myself how to excavate, doing driveways and land clearing, barns, fences. Learning all that stuff helped me build this place. Once I got done with all the fencing, I got 9 bison to begin with. 9 bison ended up turning into 200 bison. I thought at the beginning when I got bison that we could just put them on a piece of property and they'd be fine. That is so far from the truth, it's unreal. Pretty much all bison ranches across the country and into Canada raised them the exact same way, and I wanted to raise them different. You learn stuff every day. You figure out new vendors or new equipment or new things that you need. Finding a shipping service that has a freezer was almost impossible. Just taking our meat to vendors, restaurants, markets, pop-ups. God needed a freezer trailer. Polar King is the Taj Mahal of trailers. I mean, it pretty much runs 24/7, and we have never had one issue with it turning on, turning off, or having any mishaps. No over freezing. It really does a great job of controlling the temperature. On the hottest day, which is usually around July or August, even outside, not under anything, the hottest it got was probably 12 to 16 degrees internal. When you touch the trailer, even when you pull it, you can feel it, the heavy gauge steel. Like, it's built so good. We've seen other freezer trailers and there's zero comparison. We actually have another trailer with 2 basically deep freezers in it. One, the capacity is very low. You have a lot of risk that those compressors could go out, which they have before. When it comes to Polar King's convenience and reliability, it's just unbelievable. You don't have to pack up the meat. It's already sectioned out and organized and ready to go, and you just hook up your truck and go to whatever market you're going to. We actually can store about 8,000 pounds of meat in those trailers, roughly. It's a multi-use tool. The fact that it's a 16-foot trailer and you can plug it in, whether it be a generator or pretty much any home outlet. You don't have to hook up to a 220 or have a weird cable, and you can pretty much put it anywhere. Everybody always has a 110 somewhere. Plenty of capability of hooking up and keeping it frozen, even if you didn't have the generator or if the generator goes out. Saturday morning, which is our busiest day, all the trailers are ready, organized and packed, and all they do is just back up the truck, hook it up and roll. And then it's a moneymaker. That's what it is. To a random person, they're like, you spent what on what? But then I'm like, yeah, in my world though, compared to anything else, it's worth every penny. I know the times are changing and all that stuff, but it's good to find a company that still doesn't spare an expense on how they build things. We've had the luxury of seeing other trailers and seeing exactly like what makes this one different, and it really is the Mercedes-Benz of a trailer.